IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, IUCN, government and civil society organization, field of natural conservation and sustainable use of natural resources, best known for compiling and publishing red list, assess the conservation status of species worldwide. Mission: influence, encourage, and assist societies throughout the world to conserve nature and to ensure the use of natural resources is equitable and ecologically sustainable. Milestones. In 1947, International Conference on Protection of Nature in Bremen. In 1948, IUPN, International Union for Protection of Nature, formed. In 1949, IUPN and UNESCO jointly organized Conference on Protection of Nature. In 1956, changed the name to International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. In 1961, took part in setting up World Wildlife Funds, now WWF. In 1964, Red Data Book on the conservation status of spades was first published. In 1990, began using World Conservation Union as official name. In 2008, reverted name back to IUCN, and 2012 IUCN published the list of world's 100 most threatened species. Present status of IUCN: headquartered in Gland, Switzerland. 217 states and government agencies, 1066 non-government organizations, 16,151 experts in 6 commissions, and 161 countries. IUCN management and governing body, managed by IUCN Global Secretariat, led by Director General President Enger Anderson, General Assembly of Unions member, World Conservation Congress. IUCN Council principal governing body, led by the President of 2012 to 16 Council, Zheng Jinshan, Zheng Jinshan from China. IUCN Council from 2012 to 2016. Priorities: IUCN World Conservation Congress, Hawaii in 2016. These are the different logos of IUCN. Special Service Commission, capital SSC, CEC, Commission on Education and Communication, CEM, Commission on Ecosystem Management, WCPA, World Commission on Protected Areas, then World Commission on Environmental Laws, CEESP, Commission on Environmental, Economic and Social Policies. IUCN themes work across various themes related to conservation, environmental and ecological issues, business and biodiversity, climate change, economics, ecosystem management, environmental law, forest gender, global policy, marine and polar protected areas, science and knowledge, social policy, species, water, and world heritage. Region of action: Asia, Central and West Africa, Eastern and Southern Africa, Eastern Europe and Central Asia, Europe and Mediterranean, Mexico, Central America and Caribbean, Oceania, South America, Washington DC office, and West Asia. IUCN in India. India, a mega diverse country, accounts for 7 to 8% of all recorded species, over 45,000 species of plants, and 91,000 species of animals. 4 of 34 globally identified biodiversity hotspots: the Himalayas, the Western Ghats, the Northeast, and the Nicobar Island in India. India became a state member of IUCN in 1969 through the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, that is capital MOEFCC. The IUCN India country office was established in 2007 in New Delhi. IUCN Red List, first published in 1964. IUCN Global Species Program, working with IUCN Species Survival Commission, that is capital SSC, assess the conservation status of species, subspecies, varieties, and even selected subpopulation on global scale. Highlight the taxa threatened with extinction and thereby promote their conservation. Red list categories and criteria. All species are evaluated. Inadequate data. These are extinct, label in bracket EX, extinct in the wild, label in bracket capital EW. Threatened categories are classified as critically endangered, that is capital CR, endangered, capital EN, vulnerable, capital VU, and near threatened, capital N and T, least concern, capital L and C, data deficient, capital DD, and not evaluated, NE. Red list categories and criteria: extinct in bracket capital EX, and taxon is extinct when there is no reasonable doubt that the last individual has died. Extinct in the wild. A taxon is extinct in the wild. It is known only to survive in cultivation, in captivity, or as a naturalized population or populations well outside the past range. Extinct species of plants: Cyanometra bedomi, Ilex gardeniana, Maduca insinensis, Caryopha tolifera, and Euphorbia marumothiana. Summary of the 5 criteria used to evaluate if taxon belong in an IUCN Red List. These are the 5 criteria. Critically endangered species: Hemibogus punctotorus, Hopia erosa, Memezolon cisoparens. Endangered species of fishes: Dawkinsia, Decalopsis hamiltoni, and Rachitris travancoricus. Vulnerable species: Myristica dactyloides, Daukinsoa assimilis, Anox cinereus, Magnolia nilgerica, Phyllanthus indoficiene. Red list categories: near threatened. A taxon is near threatened when it has been evaluated against the criteria but does not qualify for critical, endangered, or vulnerable now, but it's close to qualifying for or is likely to qualify for threatened category in the near future. Least concern: a taxon is least concern when it has been evaluated against the criteria and does not qualify for critically endangered, vulnerable, and near threatened. Widespread and abundant taxa are included in this category. Data efficient: a taxa is data deficient when there is inadequate information to make a direct or indirect assessment of its risk of extinction based on its distribution or population status. Not evaluated: NE, a taxa is not evaluated when it has not yet been evaluated against the criteria. Thank you.